First, remove any paper lids, sleeves, labels, strips, or wraps. The back of our strips have all of the instructions so you can go over them. In some cases, the chocolates or gifts can push the wicks down. So make sure you lift the bottom wicks so each is facing upwards. Ensure all bottom wicks are standing in an upright position at a 90-degree angle. When burning any candle, it's ideal to trim your wicks 1/4 inch. If the wick is longer than 1/4 inch, make sure to trim it. There's a slight chance that the wax can drip outside of the spiral candle. After all, it is fire and it is wax. Therefore, place on a non-porous, heat-resistant container with walls to catch molten wax. I know that none of our videos have any containers, but we just do this for aesthetic purposes. Keep the candle free from debris. Always burn candles within sight. Never leave a candle unattended. Keep away from things that can catch fire and keep away from children. During the spiral portion, you can blow out the candle at any point in time. If necessary, trim the wicks 1/4 inch before burning the second candle formed by the spiral melted wax. Ideally, to avoid tunneling, make sure the entire pool of wax is melted before you blow out the second set of wicks. Once again, always trim your wicks to 1/4 inch. Once the entire pool of wax is melted, you can blow out the wicks once again. This will ensure that you are left with no wax at the end of the burn. Never touch the bottom aluminum base while the wax is melted. It is extremely hot and you can burn yourself. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to keep asking questions, and happy spiral melt burning.